Hello everybody, today I'm really excited because I just received this modern ceiling fan with lights for reviewing purposes. So let's take it out of the box and let's see what comes inside. We have the instruction manuals, some important information about it, all the installation steps on how to install it, which I think that it's nice, how to control it and everything. It seems like it comes really well protected with foam, which I think that it's great. That way it doesn't come anyway scratch or anything. This is a lights and where the base goes, which I think that it's nice. It has a nice design, modern. Okay, we have a canopy. In here, we got the receiver and the remote control to use the ceiling fan. Okay, and this side we get the proper main unit with the fan blades and everything. As I've said, it comes really well protected with foam, these plastic bags protecting it, and we get two downloads to select which height we want to install it. If we want a little bit longer the distance between the roof and the ceiling fan, you can adjust it with these two downloads, which I think that it's nice. I'm going to use this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and start installing it, assembling it, and let's see how it looks and how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the proper installation process, it doesn't take that much long. All the instructions are really clear. You just have to install the base into the ceiling and do the proper wiring with the receiver that comes included, and you can adjust the lights to place them however you like, which I think that it's really nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and I think that it looks amazing. We can turn it on and off with the remote control. We have up to 6 speeds from where to choose, and as you can see, the fan blades are hidden, and once that we turn it on, the fan blades extend, which I think that it's really nice. We have a natural wind mode that I think that it can be perfect to use it whenever you want it. The light can be switched between the 3 main temperatures. You can turn up the brightness of it, which I think that it's great. As I've said, change the temperature, get it from a cold white to a warm white, which I think that it's great. We can set it up with the remote control for a timer of 2 hours, and we can change quickly the colors like this, which I think that it's really nice. We can also turn it off completely like this, and we can get it to work with the application that comes in the menu, which I think that it's great because that way we can turn it on, we can turn off the light, just the remote, the fan blades. We can select the speed, which I think that it's great, from 1 to 6 speeds, as I've said, which I think that is great, and also change the temperature of the light, which I think that is great. Also use the natural wind mode or the sleep mode, which I think it's perfect to use when you're gonna go sleep or something like that. Overall, because it's really nice, really simple to assemble and get it up, I think that it's great. It looks amazing. It has a really beautiful design, modern, and I think that it will be perfect to place it wherever you need it. And overall, because it's really nice, really simple to install, it looks great. I will really recommend it. See you guys.